Hello, good day everyone. I'm Don Julius Leal from Bised English B, and today I will discuss my topic, which is the social function of popular literature. My first slide is all about introduction. Popular literature is more than entertainment, it shapes society. It influences belief, identity, and cultural perspectives. My second slide is all about five key social functions. The first one is reflection of society. Second is influence on public opinion. Third is promotion of social awareness. Fourth is strengthening cultural identity. And the last one is inspiration for social change. Let's talk about reflection of society. Literature mirrors real life experiences, struggle, and values. Help reader understand historical and social context. Social media, art, and literature show what's happening in society. They capture current events, values, and issues that people face, giving a snapshot of life at a certain time. For example, The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas addresses racial injustice and and police brutality. Pag pinanood niyo yan or binasa nyo yung sa example ko, it is all about racist. And also police brutality. Bale makikita nyo dyan is yung mga black people is parang walang awa silang pinatay ng mga pulis. Dahil naniniwala yung mga pulis na is kapag mga black daw is masasama talaga. The second one is influence on public opinion. Literature introduces new ideas and challenges beliefs. Influences discussion on justice, human rights, and equality. So, media and other platforms shapes how people think about the important issues by presenting information in a certain ways. They can sway public attitudes and belief on topics like politics, health, and um, social justice. So, my example is Uncle Tom's Cabin. Pag pinanood nyo dyan is pinapakita dyan ang pagmamalupit sa mga alipin sa pamamagitan yon ng character tulad ni Uncle Tom. Bale siya diyan yung alipin tapos meron siyang mabuting puso. Bale yang Uncle Tom's Cabin na yan ay isang example kung paano nakakatulong sa pagbabago ng mga pananaw at ugali ng mga tao. Kaya siya naging example ko sa influence on public opinion. The third one is promotion of social awareness. Literature raise awareness about pressing social issues, encourage critical thinking and empathy. So, media and other channels help people learn about important social issues like poverty, inequality, or climate change. Um, they raise awareness and encourage discussion that can be lead to action and change. So, my example is The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. So, kaya naman The Hunger Games yung napili ko na example dahil promotion siya ng social awareness. Na-encourage nito yung reader na ma-examine yung hindi pagkakapantay-pantay at yung paglaban sa bagong lipunan. And the part one is strengthening cultural identity. Preserve and promote cultural heritage. Instills pride in traditions and values. So social media, music, literature, and art help preserve and celebrate cultural tradition and values. And They create a sense of belonging and pride in one's heritage to strengthening group identity. And my example is Ibong Adarna. Bale, lahat naman tayo is familiar dyan. So, kaya Ibong Adarna yung napili ko dahil nakakapagpanatili ito at nagpapakita ng halaga ng wika at tradisyon nating mga Pilipino. Pinapalakas din ito ang ugnayan ng kasalukuyan at saka nakaraang henerasyon. And my last slide is about inspiration for social change. Literature inspires activism and collective action, encourage people to challenge injustice. So art, media, and movements inspire people to push for change by highlighting social problem and injustice. They motivate individuals to take action and work towards improving society. So my example is 1984 by George Orwell. So bakit nga ba 1984 by George Orwell yung napili ko na example? So, kaya yung napili kong example dahil yung 1984 by George Orwell ay nagiging inspirasyon siya para sa pagbabago ng lipunan. Dahil dyan, pinapaalalahanan nito tayo na mag-iingat sa gobyerno na labis na merong kapangyarihan. At ang pinaka-importante is tinuturo din dyan sa atin na dapat ipaglaban yung ating kakayanan at karapatan dahil tao rin tayo, kagaya nila. So, tandaan lang is popular literature is more than entertainment, it shapes society. It influences belief, identity, and cultural perspective. Sana may natutunan kayo. Hanggang dun lang yung report ko. Thank you so much sa panonood.